Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add your phone as a source in OBS Studio, like if you want to stream a game or just record a game from your phone or show any tutorial. So let's get started. Go to your browser and search for SCRCPY. Now go to the first website, GitHub. Now scroll down until you see Get the app, select Windows. Now select the Windows version you have. I'll download 64-bit. Now it will start downloading. It's 5 megabytes. After you download the file, you will find it in your downloads folder. Just extract and open this file. Now connect your phone to the PC using a USB cable, just like this. Now my phone is connected to the PC. And go to this app.exe file and open it. Just wait for a minute. Now as you can see, this is my phone. And when I move my phone like this, now it shows my phone on the screen. You can also manage your phone with your mouse from the screen, but maybe it won't work for the first time. Before you connect your phone to the USB, go to settings, go to about phone, now go to software information, now go to build number and keep clicking on that for many times till it shows developer mode is enabled. Now if your phone is not Samsung, you can just search on YouTube how to enable developer mode on your and type your phone name. Now a new option will appear here, developer options. Scroll down until you see USB debugging and you have to enable this option. After that, connect your phone to the PC and go open the Screen CPY app. Now open OBS Studio. Now we want to add this window, the phone as a source. Just go to add and select window capture and OK. Now from here you select the window, the app screen by capture, click on OK. Now you have your phone added to the screen, just like that. Now you can manage it as if it's any other source. On my phone, I can go and open any game, just like that. So that's how you add your phone to OBS Studio. Now you can play game and do whatever you want. So guys, that was how to add phone to OBS Studio. Now you can just click on start streaming or start recording and play whatever you want on your phone, and that will be recorded in OBS Studio. Also, if you want to know how to use your phone as a webcam, you can watch this video here. It will show you how. So guys, that was today's video. I hope it is helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.